Here's a nice Chevelle that I saw on the way home. I had to pull over and take some pictures from the curb. And when I looked over, the owner was peeking his head out the door. So, I went over and asked him if I could make a little video, take a couple closer pictures, and he was fine with it. Told me the story on the car. He said he's had it for a long time, and it was a complete basket case when he picked it up. So it's a SS396 car, 4 speed. I just love the interior, the green on white. I really think that looks good. I've actually never seen one that was green with white stripes and had a white vinyl top. So it's different, definitely different. I think it stands out. A buddy of mine has a 70 Chevelle SS396 car, but his is green mist with no vinyl top. And come to find out, they know each other. So it's pretty small in the muscle car world. But yeah, take a look. I don't really have much more to say about it except the car's clean. Um, like I said, he said it was a basket case when he picked it up years ago. And just with the love and dedication and money, it is what you see now.